Another very common type of item in the US is the star steel produced roll. It's different to the flat ones. The width is very small like this, but when you open, the back is much bigger. You see, this one is the standard 15 by 20 inch and it's made with 8 micron. One roll like this had about 750 pieces. See, all bags have the standard warning printing, and this has the open indicator here. Now I will test the seal line. You see it here, very easy to come off. The seal line also made with 2 heat sink, so it's very strong at the bottom. But very clear. You see, you put a lot of pressure on it, it doesn't break. The plastic core here, we made the standard 26 by 28, so it can fit on any dispenser. And also on the roll here, the tail line, it has a hole in the middle, so it can get stuck into the handle of the dispenser and get tail off. Very easy to use.